Let me show you step by step how to lock a file in Google Drive. So if you want to lock a file on Google Drive, let me show you how to do it. After you open the Google Drive like this, so the first thing you should do, you need to click on this new. So you need to create a folder. So I'll give this folder my lock. So after you give the folder name, you click on this create. So now here is the folder. Now here is the folder. So the next thing you should do, now you drag the file that you want to lock inside the folder. So let's say now I want to share this file, but now you need to add the file inside the folder. So now I'll select the file like this and then click on this move. After you click on this move, so now I'll select the folder. Here is the folder. I'll click on this move. So after I finish adding all the files that I want to add inside the folder, so now I'll right click on the folder, go to share, and then go to share again. So click on this restricted and click on this anyone with the link. So now copy the link of the folder and go to done. After you copy the link, the next thing you should do, you click on this new button, you go to Google Form. So after it open the Google Form like this for you, so this option now you need to add something like enter the password or enter. So just I'll type in something like this, enter your password. So after you type in enter your password like this now, so I'll click on this option where it says option. So I'll click on it. So under this, I'll select this one. So click on this option and select this short answer, and then click on this option now and type in type password. So after you type in type password in this option, so from this option now I'll click on this option, turn on this. After you turn on this, then you click on this three dot and then you click on this response validation. So from this option now, if you want to add the password to be numbers, you select number. I'll click on this option, I'll select text, and then I'll click on this container. So I'll leave it as container. So now type in the password. So I'll type in the password 12345, then AA. So your password should be 8. That's maximum the password. After you type in this, then here it says custom error. So custom error, let's say now the person type in a wrong password, so he will be getting some error. So here I'll type in like wrong password. Wrong password. So after you type in wrong password like this now, the next thing you should do now, you click on this option where it says response. So from this option now you go to settings again. After you go to settings, then scroll down. Under the setting, you click on this where it says presentation. Under the presentation, scroll to down and click on this where it says confirmation message. So click on this. So your response has been recorded. So confirmation message, now you should just add, I'll just type in something like this. Now I paste in the link. So the link of the folder that I copied, and then I'll type in something like this. Click the link to open. Link to open. Go click the URL to open. So after you type in something like this, so now here is it now. Click the URL to open. So now I'll click on this save button. After that, then now you just go ahead now and click on this publish. So after you click on the publish, so here it says response anyone. So I'll click on the publish again. So from there, now here is the link. I'll click on this short link. So now copy. After I copy, now I copy this link. Now I'll go ahead now and share this link. So now if you share the link with the person, now whoever now open the file, he will be asked to enter a password. Let me show you how it works. I'll click on this three dot, go to incognito mode. So now I'll paste in the link. So if you paste in the link, now it will ask you for a password. So as you can see now here it says enter your password. So now here it says type password. So now I'll type in my password. So the password is 12345, then AA. I think the A is 2 or 3. So after you type in the password, just click submit. So as you can see, it says enter your password. So here's now the password. So now I'll click on this, click the URL to open. I'll click on this link. So if I click on the link, now it will take me to the folder that I gave. So as you can see, here is the folder now. So as you can see now, here is the folder. Now I can be able now to view the file. And that's it guys on how to lock a file in Google Drive. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.